everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we'll be working on another design, which is a banner design. So we'll start by inputting the size of our banner. Okay, so the size we'll be using is 120 1280 by 1280. Okay, so we'll start by deleting this. We'll create a shape. Select your shape, then you enlarge it, increase the size, make sure it covers everywhere. Next, we'll be adding a color to it. Let's select our color. We'll be using this a blue color for this design. All right. Next, let's just bring in a sample of what we'll be working like. A sample of the design we want to replicate. Let's just bring it in. Now this is the sample. Okay, so next let's create another shape. Now another shape. We're working with more of shape today. Let's just create a smaller shape first. Let's start with that first. Smaller shape. So how? Now let's add a color to it. Let me create a gradient for this. Now this is how I create my gradient. If you want to just create a gradient for yourself, you come to this different gradients. You come to this plus sign, you click on it. You'll be selecting this one by one. Make sure you have a sample of a gradient you want to create in your background, so that once you just click on that, you can be able to go there and select the color you want. Let's delete this minus. So this shape, let's shift it to the side. Good. Now let's create another shape. Now we'll just be copying all this shape. We'll just copy them. Click on it, just copy it and shift it to the side you want it to be. Do you understand? Let's copy again. Copy again. Again. And again. Now we'll come to the... Okay, let me adjust this first. Just to make sure they are in line. Now let's go to the first shape we created. Sorry, the second shape, third shape we created. Let's click on it. Then we'll copy it and send it. Let's centralize it. Now you use the position and adjust it down to where you want it to be. Now I want it to be here, so I'll just adjust it. Now let's copy again. Do the same way, centralize it, then you adjust it. Use the position arrow and position it to either your left or your right, where you want it to be. Let's do it for the next one too. Copy again, centralize it, then you adjust it. Copy again, centralize, then you adjust. Let's copy again, centralize, then you adjust. Send it down. This is the last. Now we will now type in our text. Let's click on text. Sorry, let's delete this. Now we'll make it bold. Then we'll change the font. Let's change the font of this design. Now let's add a shadow to it. Let's go to the, let's click on text again. Now let's enlarge this a little. Let's change the font of this design. And let's add a shadow to it. Let's reduce the size of the shadow. It's 100%. Let's just reduce it a little. Now the next, let's type now under the next text with us. Now let's bring it down, adjust it, position it, and let's make it bold. Let's increase the size a little more, and let's adjust it again to the left. Let's adjust this shape. Now let's type in our text. Start with another text. Bitcoin. Let's bring it down. Let's change the color to black. Let's make it bold. Now let's copy, edit. Now the next, let's type in another text. Let's change the color to black. Let's make it bold. Now adjust it. And also adjust the size just to make sure it doesn't look odd. Now let's type in another text. Make it bold. Change the color to black. Increase the size. Increase the size of perfect money too. Let this person increase the size. Let's type in another text. Let's adjust the size. Now let's add a bold. Let's make it bold. Change the color to black. Now let's go to align and centralize it. Let's reduce it again. Okay, I think it can enter, so let's just leave it since it can enter. We'll increase the size a little bit. And let's adjust it. It's looking smaller. So let's edit it, let it go down. Take it up. Now let's increase the size a little more. Because of this particular one, we have to reduce the size of others so that they can be uniform. Reduce the size of others. make this one 19, 20. So let's just leave it at 18. So next, let's type in another text. And we won't be needing this, so we'll just delete it. Won't be needing it. Just delete it. Next, let's type in, bring in the Bitcoin sign. Go to our gallery and select it. This Bitcoin, let's add a 3D to it. 3D, shift it to 4. Let's change the color. Let's change the color. Then let's add a shadow to it. Just it. Then you copy. Just it. Bring in another one. Add 3D to it. Let's darken it. Now let's bring in another material. Let's reduce the opacity. Make it faint. Turn it on. Copy that. Copy it. Just increase the opacity. Make it smaller. These are the ones from the time. Just send it to the back. Hope you understood what I did. I wanted it to come to the back, so I sent these ones, the bitcoins, I sent them to the front. So it came to the back to where I want it to be. Do you understand? And the same thing with this one. I want it to come to the front. To front. To front. Same thing with the other one. Want it to the front. Send it to the front. Okay, we are good to go. So next, let's now type in our phone number. Bring it in. Sorry, just new text. Let's change the color of this our phone number to black. But we can use blue. Let's use blue. Let's go with blue. Let's make it bold. Sorry, let's make it bold. Now, let's bring in our icon. Just select what you want. If it's call, if it's WhatsApp, select the one you want. If the background has not been removed and it has a white background, just go to erase color and turn it on. It will automatically remove the white background. And adjust it. You can still change the color, add another color if you want to. But I'm cool with this color. If you want to change the color, just come to color, turn it on. The color will automatically change, but I'm cool with that color. What I will do again is I will just copy it. Then I'll go and select another icon I want. I don't need to be going to my gallery every time. Just copy. If other icons are included with it, I'll just copy. Now next, bring in our website. Let's copy that again. Okay, let's copy, crop. Let's crop it. Bring it down. Bring it down, and let's type in our that's the name of our website. If you have not typed in our brand name, please welcome to that. Now let's make this bold. Let's change the color to blue. Now let's type in your text. Okay, bold. Centralize it. Let's bring in our logo. If you have a logo for this, I've already created a logo for this brand before, so I will just go and select it. But if you don't have, you can create one by yourself. I already have for this now, but if you don't have, you can just create something. I think I taught you how to create a logo yesterday. Add a color to it. I think we are done with this. Let's just adjust it and make sure everything is in order. Make sure everything is aligned well. We are good to go. Delete it. Now you can decide to merge them and save. Merge all of them together. Taught you yesterday how to merge. Just click on this icon, select them, then click on this, select them one after the other, and you merge. But for me, I don't want to merge it. I just go ahead and save it direct. So we'll go to save. We'll select JPEG Ultra and we'll save.